Yo dudes, welcome back to another video, number 5 on the Pocket Platformer tutorial series. In this video, we're going to cover the hazards in Pocket Platformer a little more than we did before. So we've already ran down what each one generally does, but I wanted to cover some of the additional settings and usage. So, to see additional settings, place an object and then left click on it. Some of them don't have any extra options, but most of them do. Spikes have a rotation setting, as most of the hazards do, which is really cool. Cannons have speed, which is how fast projectiles move, and frequency, which is how often the cannon fires. Rocket launchers have the same settings, but have an extra one called rotation speed. This is how fast a rocket projectile will rotate towards the player, which is pretty cool. Now, toggle mines don't have any extra settings. Be cool to change the time it takes them to detonate would be a nice touch though. Beyond that, we'll cover pathing a little more, since paths mixed with any of the objects makes for a fun time. I wish there was a platform object to make moving platforms that you can't seem to make, like place the blocks house onto paths. I suppose if there is an object that you can stand on that doesn't hurt you, maybe like the red and blue block, you can just change that. But having a whole thing, like a whole separate object, just to like not have to mess with anything. It's a random object you can just place, it'd be really nice. Or if you just use the ability blocks right on top, it'd be cool too. But anyways, if you draw a path, then place any object on it, and it'll follow on the path while in play mode. This can be used for moving cannons, spike saws, and anything else you can actually, because you can actually change the sprites into your own creations. You can have bugs running around a platform, you can have fire, you can have anything that you can think of. You just gotta be able to draw it inside the sprite editor, and you're all set. So lots of possibilities. You can also do this with collectibles, trampolines, any objects in the tab. Alright, in the next video we'll do a quick how to import and export, then distribute, then that's it. So unless you dudes have specific questions, I can address in new videos, and when new updates come out. We're almost to the end of this little mini-series.